Welcome back. One way to expand your audience is to leverage the following of other people in similar categories or that create similar content. And one way to do this is to create a virtual summit. Now, there are a number of platforms available for you to create a virtual summit, or you don't even have to use a platform at all. If you want to do a series of live videos or training and you want to host the recordings, you can host what is the equivalent of a summit. However, there are platforms available that will help you, and if you go to your favorite search engine and you look for virtual summit platform or the platform HeySummit, you can use the platform to host your own virtual summit. Now, HeySummit is not a free application. There is pricing associated with it. However, there is a free trial available, and you can determine if HeySummit is a platform you'll want to use in order to host your own virtual summit. The platform will allow you your own customization. You can have your own webinar hosts, payment methods, as well as affiliates to promote your summit. If you want to integrate with other platforms, you can do so with the available platforms inside of HeySummit. Or you can move your content out of HeySummit using a technical webhook if you understand the nature of webhooks. HeySummit does connect to the platform Zapier. However, it's important to note that you can only export information out of HeySummit. Currently, there is no way to use Zapier to export information into HeySummit. Again, you don't have to use HeySummit in order to create a virtual summit. The platform is available to help you to navigate some of the processes without having to hire individuals to help you to manage the summit. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.